Welcome to online classes children. Today in chapter number 3 multiples and factors we are going to learn prime factorization. So what is prime factorization children? It is a method of expressing a number as the product of its factors which are primes. We can find prime factorization of a number by two methods. The first one is factor tree method and the second one is long division method. Okay, we will see both these methods. Okay, here I have taken example 18. Okay, here I will find the prime factorization of 18 by factor tree method first, then I will find the prime factorization of 18 by long division method. See here the factor tree method. Here I have taken the number as 18. Here this 18 can be divided by 2. As I have already taught you the divisibility rule children. So use the divisibility rule here. Here 18 can be divided by 2 because the last digit of 18 is 8 and 8 is a even number. So this 18 can be divided by 2. So divided by 2. Okay, so write here 2 and then when you will divide this 18 by 2 you will get 9. So write here 9. Okay, write here 9. Now divide this 9. By which number you can divide this? By 3 you can divide. Okay, so write here 3. Then if you will divide this 9 by 3, what you will get? You will get 3. Okay, so write here also 3. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2, 3, 3. So write the prime factorization of 18 children. 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. When you will multiply all this number, you will get 18. Okay. Now see the long division method children, how to find prime factorization by long division method. Okay. See right here 18. Then how you will divide this 18? You can divide this 18 by 2. So divided by 2 you will get 9. Then this 9 can be divided by 3. So write here 3. Then when you will divide this 9 by 3 you will get 3. So write here also 3. Now this 3 can be divided by only 3. So write here 3. Then when you will divide this 3 by 3 you will get 1. So write here 1. So the prime factorization of 18 will be same. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3. Here also we are getting 2 into 3 into 3. And here also by long division method also we are getting 2 into 3 into 3. The prime factorization of 18 will be same in factor tree method also and in long division method also. 1. Now draw the factor tree of the following. Okay, the question number A is 48. We have to draw the factor tree of 48. Okay, so think of a number by which this 48 can be divided. 2. Okay, I have already taught you the divisibility rule. This 48 can be divided by 2 as the unit in the units place it is having only 8. Okay, and 8 is a even number, so it can be divided by 2. So let's divide it by 2. Write here 2 and here when it will be divided by 2 you will get 24. Okay, here you will get 24. 2. Here 4 is given, so 2 2s are 4 and 8 is given, so 2 4s are 8. So 24. Here you will get 24. Okay, now divide this 24 again. It will be divided by 2 only. Okay, now write here 2. So write here 2 and here it will come 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So 12. It will come 12. Here 12 will come. Okay, now again divide this 12. This 12 can be divided by 2 again. Okay, so write here 2. Then again here what will come? 6. When we will divide this 12 by 2 you will get 6. Okay, write here 6. Then again this 6 can be divided. 6 can be divided by 2 again. Okay, so write here 2 and here when 6 will be divided by 2 you will get 3. Okay, so the prime factorization of 48 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so the prime factorization of 48 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. When you will multiply all this number, you will get 48 only. Okay, see here the next question. Question number B. Question number B is 72. Okay, so this 72 can also be divided by 2 because here we are having the last digit is 2 and 2 is an even number. So this 72 can be divided by 2. So write 2 here, then divide this 72 by 2. You will get 36. Okay. You will get here 36. Now, this 36 can be divided by 2 again. Okay, so write here 2 again. Then 2 ones are 2. Then 1 will be left out. Then it will become 16. So 2 8s are 16. Here it will come 18. When you will divide this 36 by 2, you will get 18. Okay. Now divide this 18. This 18 can be divided by 2 again. So write here 2. 2 9s are 18. So write here 9 again. Again this 9 can be divided. This 9 cannot be divided by 2. This 9 can be divided by 3. Okay. So write here 3. 3 3s are 9. When you will add 3, you will get 3. So write here also 3. Here also will be 3. Okay. So the prime factorization of 72 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Right here 72 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. When you will multiply all this number, you will get 72 only. Okay. Fine. Now question number C. Question number C is 196. Here also 196. 6 is an even number. The last digit of the number is 6. 6 is an even number. So this number can be divided by 2. So divide this number by 2. Write here 2. When you will divide 196 by 2, you will get 98. This 98 can also be divided by 2. So write 2 here, and when this 98 will be divided by 2, you will get here 49. Now this 49 cannot be divided by 2 because here the last digit is 9 and 9 is a odd number. Okay, so this 49 cannot be divided by 2. It cannot be divided by 3 also. It can be only divided by 7. Okay, so write here 7. And when this 49 will be divided by 7, you will get 7 again. So write here 7. Now this 7 cannot be divided again. Okay. So the prime factorization of 196 will be 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now see question number D. Question number D is 625. Okay. So this 625 cannot be divided by 2. This cannot be divided by 3 also. This will only be divided by 5. Okay. So when you will divide this by 5, write here 5. Then when you will divide this by 5, you will get 125. This 125 again cannot be divided by 2, 3. This will be only divided by 5. So write again here 5. 5 25s are 125. Okay, when you will divide this 125 by 5, you will get 25. So write here 25. This 25 will again be divided by 5. So write 5 here, and when this 25 will be divided by 5, you will get 5. So write 5 here also. Okay, so the prime factorization of 625 will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, write all this number 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now see the question number 4, children. Question number 4 is prime factorize the following using long division method. Okay, we have to find the prime factorization by long division method. Okay, question number A is 56. Okay, so this 56 can be divided by 2, children. So divided by 2, you will get 28. Then again it can be divided by 2. So divided, you will get 14. Then this 14 again divided by 2, you will get 7. Then this 7 will be divided by only 7. Okay, 7 is a prime number, so this 7 it can only be divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7. So the prime factorization of 56 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Okay. Now see the next question, children. Question number B, 84. This 84 can be divided by 2, children, because the last digit is 4 and 4 is an even number, so it can be divided by 2. Let's divide it by 2. You will get 42. Okay, 2 4s are 8, so here 4 will come, and 2 2s are 4, so here 2 will come. So here 42 will come. When you will divide this 84 by 2, you will get 42. Okay, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now this 42 will be again divided by 2. So here 21 will come. When this 21 cannot be divided by 2. This 21 can divided by 3, but it can be divided by 3. So let's divide this 21 by 3. You will get 7 here. Then divide this 7 by 7. You will get 1. Okay. So the prime factorization of 84 will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay. The next number is 1430. Okay, 1430. See here, the last digit is 0, so it can be divided by 2. Let's divide it by 2. You will get 715. Now this 715 cannot be divided by 2, but it can be divided by 5. So let's divide it by 5. You will get 143. Now this 143 will be divided by only 11. I have already taught you the divisibility rule, children. You have to use this divisibility rule here. So when you will use the divisibility rule, you will get that 143 can be divided by 11. Okay. Okay. So when 143 will be divided by 11, you will get 13. Then 13 is a prime number. It can be divided by only 13. So 13, 13. Okay. So the prime factorization of 1430, 1004 and 400